So this is exercise 5-18 in the textbook, how to use the stretch command. The stretch command is located right here in the ribbon. The stretch command is kind of unusual and it can be challenging because in order for it to work really well, there are two things. First, you want to make sure you have ortho mode on. If you don't have ortho mode on, you're going to get inconsistent results, and I'll show you why in a minute. And the other thing is you have to use a crossing. So not a window, a crossing. And remember to select, using a crossing, you left pick on the right and move to the left. So to start the stretch command, you type S for stretch, and then it asks you to select windows, and it says select to stretch by using a crossing window or a crossing polygon. So you're gonna pick here on the left, so you click once with the left mouse button and you come across, and notice I missed this little line here, so I was able to pick it, and then I hit enter, and then it asks you for a base point. I'm just going to pick the midpoint here, and notice I can come down and type a value, and it stretched, but it didn't get these lines correctly for some reason. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it not with ortho mode so you can see what happens. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go stretch, I'm gonna do my crossing, all right, and this time I selected correctly. I'm gonna go enter, I'll select the midpoint, and notice what happens. If you don't have ortho mode on, you can get something that looks like that, which is not what I wanted. So let's try it one more time. Stretch. I'll do my crossing. And notice I selected everything I wanted correctly. I'm going to do my base point. Oh, I'm going to turn ortho on. And then I'm going to type in 1. And now it looks correct. So if you remember to use ortho mode and use your crossing window correctly, you'll get the results you want.